3 months gone, due to me making a horror map in Fortnite about holding your bladder. Truly one of the scariest things that you could even imagine. I'm not kidding, the map is real. Come on, let me show you how I made it. To start, I opened up UEFN, or Unreal Editor for Fortnite, which is the version of Unreal Engine that directly works with Fortnite. And I created a new level called Don't Pee, and let's get to work. Wait, you can't just drop us on this wild, wacky idea without giving any context on to why you are making a horror map about peeing your pants. Okay, fine. The entire map is based and inspired from the indie game Don't Pee, which is a game where you wake up and you gotta go release your tank, which is created by Naughty Claws, and shout out to them. The horror elements in the game are quick time events to force you to hold your pee, or if you don't, you will pee your pants. Yeah, that sounded a lot cooler in my head than actually reading out loud. But once I saw Moist Critical play it, I purchased it on Steam, played through it, and was like, I gotta make something similar in Fortnite. And then I had to put my own twist on it. The most important part of the gameplay of the map is the QuickTime system, where you need to tap or hold the key in order to hold in your pee. Those were some sick bars right there. I knew exactly what I needed for this, as Fortnite added the input trigger device, which allows you to detect inputs from the player and send it to the code so that you can do something custom with it. After typing the incredible, extremely complicated, top-tier code, I was able to wait for a time period, pick a random input of fire or aim, and if the player pressed it correctly, it just continues, and if they press the wrong button, it displays a game over. This is just the core concept of the system, and I will be adding more to it. Let's do that right now. Let's add a holding option, because right now you just click it once and it works. I want it to tap and I want it to hold. Since the device doesn't have an option for holding, weirdly, I had to create some absolute jank. Like adding a timer device that would count down the timer when you press the button, and then if you let go, it resets the time. So you must hold the button down without letting go for 1 second in order for it to complete. Since having the player just tap to complete the QuickTime event didn't feel like you were holding a 2-hour long gaming sesh of pee, I made the player tap the button 10 times very quickly in order to complete the QuickTime event. We also needed the players to fail, so ending the game whenever the player presses the wrong button was the way to go. Oh, and if you wait long enough, you'll pee your pants. Man, that text at the top left really is telling. So I went into Photoshop to create some icons to go ahead and visually demonstrate what I wanted the player to do for the QuickTime event. So I was able to create images for jump, aim, fire, and interact. I also coded a proper UI for the player, so when the QuickTime event happens, the icons with text will appear randomly on the screen. You know what? I think that's enough nerd talk. Oh, the code! How about we talk about the actual level the players have to play in, and probably, if anybody who's played the map, what you're actually seeing. Since I didn't just want to recreate the game, that's kind of lame, and I wanted to put my own twist on it, I had to think of a place that people have to hold their pee in constantly so much that they could explode at any moment. The movie theater. I love going to movies very often. I love the theaters. So I started with the main theater room itself by building the walls, grabbing the homie Bob, in order to have a reference for how big the player is compared to the level, and found these movie theater seats online for free that matched what the setting I wanted to go for was. Oh, and a big screen that plays default Fortnite videos, cause that's all we can really do. Trust me, I'd have some banger videos on there if they allowed me to. I added more seats and I just started decorating and filling up the area to the point that it just looked good enough, so I moved on to the hallway next that connects to the movie theater. This is where I had to get a lot of learning done, as I wanted to build the entire level from scratch. Every wall, every floor, every roof was built and placed by me only, not using Blender or any 3D modeling program, just what UEFN provides. I realized later on that not only people in game design, but also other people who make Fortnite maps just go ahead and buy houses or mansions or whatever it is on different asset stores, whether it's Unities or Unreals, and then that's what they use for the level design. Hey, I get it, you don't have time to make the maps, but come on, I want to put my own passion and soul into the level design too. I'm not just a coder, I'm a level designer, and I'm lame. I put a good amount of effort into making sure that the hallways feel like a movie theater hallway by adding pillars, separations in the walls to separate two different wallpapers, and of course, some movie posters. which I make my own custom ones later. Right now, I just put default ones. I continue building out the main floor plan with the hallways leading into the bathroom, then into the lobby, where then I built some tables for the concession stand and the other movie theater area, which also has another bathroom. So I started the bathroom with some stalls, paper towel dispensers, and a big sink, which the other bathroom literally had the same exact stuff, just mirrored. Oh, also a broken toilet. It's part of the lore. And a water fountain from the toilet to express that yes, it is very broken and not usable, even though you probably could if you wanted to. I couldn't really find a good model of a popcorn maker online that was free to use, so I went ahead and just made my own in UEFN because the modeling tools I was learning and I wanted to try to learn everything I could, so I recreated my own popcorn machine from scratch. And one day, many weeks later, while playing Battle Royale, I noticed in one POI that there was a fully modeled popcorn machine. It looked great, and it just wasn't in UEFN. So I went ahead and opened up Fortnite, tore the model from the map, I got that model and put it back into Fortnite so I could use it in my map. Gotta love it, man. The concession stand gets Fortnite models. The lobby gets Fortnite models. The right side theater gets Fortnite models. Everything gets Fortnite models. Okay, I'm just trying to spice the video up. I have tons of videos of level design progress, and it's probably getting a bit boring now. Oh, and here's a roof. Now the real horror element has been added. Technically, I'm not even lying about that. I can now actually add proper lighting to the map. This was actually interesting to figure out. I didn't know how to add proper lighting, especially more moody lighting into Fortnite. And, well, my last attempt of making a map, it didn't really need any moody lighting or, hell, even level design. It's literally 2 long walls and the sunlight. The hallway was looking much cooler now, but wait until you see it textured later. I made sure the bathroom was as bright as the power room inside Transit. But now we go on to texturing. I found that a lot of textures I used came from the website SketchUp Textures, which really came in clutch because they had a lot of textures that matched the looks I wanted of a movie theater. And man, that hallway came out so much better than I expected. But it does get even better when progress continues. But now there's just a lot of life in the hallways, and it's easily my favorite part of the entire level. I textured the bathroom with tiles, as well as texturing the concession stand, the walls, and the roof. But I did come across a weird issue. I noticed that after testing the map, about 1 minute after running around the map, all of a sudden, the lighting would just go super bright for no reason. It would go this awesome moody lighting and then just really bright. And for the life of me, I could not figure it out. Weird glitches like that are just like, what did I even do? What's going on? Now that I have the main movie theater mapped out, I crafted a storyboard. Yes, I went in Notepad and I typed up a storyboard of how this map's gonna go so that I could figure out if there were any new areas I wanted to explore or add. And yeah, there was quite a lot. So I went ahead and added an employee area that had hallways and much more, but I don't want to spoil that. I'll leave that if you play the map. And if you play the map, you should know. All right, the level design, it's basically done. If you were curious, the time it took me to learn the level design and fully level design the entire map with no extra things, but just modeling, brushing, and texturing, it took me 1 month. But that also included my schoolwork and finals. The next portion I spent is all about making the map, well, function. Adding all the story elements with the interactions and just a way to complete the map. I wanted to add a first-person mode because I feel like horror maps just make more sense to be in the first person. I went ahead and adjusted the QuickTime events to have the player's camera point down, just like how it was in the original game. But the jank continues because it's not that easy as just getting the player's camera and pointing the head down. So I had to bring in a camera, which then I created a cutscene that mimicked the player's head going down. Then I had to teleport that camera to the player's position just then so I could play the cutscene, which forces the player's camera to go into that new camera, and then it plays the cutscene to make the QuickTime event show, which then the camera can go back up and goes back to the original player. It's like a ghost that soul is hopping into the camera just to come back to the other player. Yeah, we don't get it easy in Fortnite. I was actually tweaking the visuals of those QuickTime events till quite literally a few days before release. I was just constantly making sure it looked as good as I could. It could be a little better, but I think it's the best I think I could get it. Now, to make the map flow properly, I added keys to pick up, barriers to break down, and a keypad system, which thank you to Maestro Shark for the tutorial on how to create proper UIs. And overall, thank you to everyone who made a tutorial in UEFN. If you've made one, whether it's through coding or just how to use the program, games like mine would not be possible without these resources. Since I plan to add funny dialogue, as the original game does.
I don't even have a kid. Ow. Where did this room come from?
I created subtitles to help push that funny narrative forward. Oh yeah, here's that keypad I talked about. Well, the pre-alpha version. I promise I make it look prettier later. At least it works. okay? One thing I wanted this map to feel like was an indie horror game, like one that you would find on Steam. So I wanted to create a main menu system of sorts, because in Fortnite, when you go into a game, you hit play, and then you just spawn in somewhere, and then usually in these maps, you just walk around and press a big button on the wall, and then it starts. That's a big-ass key. No, I want you to spawn in, and then feel like you have to press buttons like you're navigating through a main menu. And then a game over screen, which pops up whenever you fail, and then you can go ahead and click continue or to quit back to menu. Thing is, I needed a main menu screen and a game over screen, just the visuals in general. And I had some banger ideas in my head. Fishstick from Fortnite holding his crotch with an ominous toilet lurking in the background. And I knew the crazy enough person to ask in order to get the job done. The legend that goes by Stupid Waluigi. They do Blender rendering, so I went ahead and asked. I explained the idea that I wanted, and they replied with, "Lamau, already got it in my head." And not even 2 hours later, not kidding, this masterpiece was born. I went and touched it up in Photoshop, added text, and I made it a temporary game over screen. Because later on, went ahead and made this banger of a game over screen as well. Well, this was much later, but I'm showing you it now because I probably won't mention it again. So now when I fail, the game over screen is looking snazzy. Now, it does say continue, which means I should probably spawn by a checkpoint, right? So, time to implement it. The inner nerd comes out to play. So I spent the next few days adding checkpoint spawns, resetting items from the things that you did before you hit the checkpoint, and tons of bug testing of this checkpoint system. A checkpoint system is very ideal for this kind of map, as I don't really want people to be discouraged if they keep on dying. I really want players to feel like they are progressing, especially if they're not that good at QuickTime events. I don't want people to restart from the beginning if they fail once. I'm not making Dark P or something like that. Actually, if you have Dark P, you might need to go see the doctor. I added the official main menu where you can start the game or show the credits. And when you click start, you're actually given 3 modes. I wanted to bring some more replayability and depth to this map by having a normal, extreme, and a speedrun mode. Where extreme mode has quick time events with less time to complete the event. And speedrun is the same, but there's a 5-minute timer that you have to race against that clock in order to win. And I think the menu is looking pretty clean for now. There was one thing from the original Don't Pee that I needed. And it was a gag that was just so good, I could not resist not adding it to the map. That is the cardboard toilet gag, where the player just sees the toilet and it falls over. And yeah, I'm guilty for stealing that one. I added a shake effect to the camera of the QuickTime event to make the player think they're quaking in the roots like a cartoon character while they're holding their pee. Hold up, this is a movie theater, right? Where are the movie posters? Talked about them earlier. So I got you, Kevin, Fort Busters, and most importantly, Fish. Yeah, I made these movie posters myself in Photoshop, but man, I love making dumb things in Photoshop. Actually, one of my favorite hobbies. Oh yeah, and here's also me revamping those keypads within the map. They were just very bland, so I had to give them a little bit of pizzazz. Everything is now coming together nicely. Oh no. It's going so well. A moderation error? Oh my. See, before I started making the map, I read over the rules, as my last map broke some rules, apparently, and I was scared the word P would just be against those rules as well, as it could be seen as obscene. I understand, Fortnite is for toddlers who drool from their mouths while watching Bluey, but come on, the word P? Oh yeah, and they referred me of breaking the rule of obscenity. The issue was the title screen, very obviously, because I literally just added the text to it, Don't Pee, and then right away when I opened it up, they said, yeah, no. You can't. What do I rename this map to? Don't Pee is it's just so good. It's just so good of a title. Don't tinkle. Don't wee. Don't wet yourself. Don't piss. Oh wait, no, that one's worse. I gotta go to the bathroom. All right, I'm gonna be right back. Wait, hold. That's it. Don't go. I'm a genius. So after replacing the words don't pee with don't go, the moderation error was gone. The map is now finished. Well, only for deaf people because there is no audio whatsoever. I needed sound effects, ambience, main menu music, and the jump scare sound effect. It's a horror map after all, right? I found free game jam packs online that had a bunch of various audio that I went ahead and used some for ambience, picking up keys, picking up the toilets. Yeah, that's a feature in the map. And when I added those, it really started to feel more like a game. It felt more interactive with more feedback. But I needed main menu music and a jump scare sound. And yeah, I could have went on YouTube and looked them up and become every other generic horror map, but nah, I needed something special. So I asked around, and I found a legend for the job. Expo Dev has made quite a bit of gaming OSTs, so I asked if they were down. And they were down. We hopped in a call and cooked up this soundtrack. As well as this jump scare sound. and it just fits perfectly. Like, I couldn't have asked for better. And for the final bit of audio, voice acted dialogue. I don't have the money to pay for proper voice actors, so this voice right here will do it for free. Enjoy this terrible preview.
Not again! Not right now! I can't hold it! Phew! That was close.
2 months. Yes. 2 months it took for that entire process after the level design. It really does not feel like that, but after looking at the recorded footage, it's true. It took 2 months. But thankfully, we are done. Almost. Beta testing is an incredibly important aspect of any map, or just any game in general. Since I lived, breathed, and peed this map, I knew it incredibly well. But what about first-time people playing it? I mean, isn't that not what's going to be happening? A lot of people who've never played it before or even know what it's about are going to play it. There's a lot of questions. Are the puzzles clear enough? How does the game feel? Is it engaging? Where's the nearest McDonald's? These are all questions that cannot be answered without proper beta testing. And I got some awesome friends, which included Arid, Queemy Boy, and ExpoDev, who gladly accepted my beta test. That sounded extremely weird. I'm not going to say it that way again. I had to upload the map privately to the Fortnite servers in order for them to go ahead and connect and play. And believe it or not, things started breaking. Yes, things that worked perfectly fine when I was testing it, when I uploaded to the Fortnite servers, those things that worked are kind of not working. It's all because of the Fortnite servers. For example, the objective that guides the players were flashing white every time it changed. And then there were toilet pieces that were not appearing when they were supposed to. The light was there, the interaction was there, but the model itself was gone and it just looked broken. So I had to create some workarounds and I fixed these glitches. And after a round of beta testing with some great feedback, especially since a game-breaking bug was found and I was able to fix that, the map was done. Actually, this time. I created a funny little release trailer. And the final boss approaches. On the day of release, I did the map description, I uploaded the thumbnail, and now we waited for Epic Games to approve the map. If you watched my last video about my first map, when I uploaded that map, it got rejected like 3 times because of a custom keyboard. So because this map had some moderation errors and it's kind of goofy, I was scared. And thank the heavens, we did it. Don't Go is officially my first Fortnite map ever uploaded. Go play it. The map code's on the screen right here. Try not to pee your pants. It's because it's so scary, I promise you, not because of anything else. So go on Fortnite, search it up, and play it. Or you could just play watching paint dry tycoon. Low-key, that actually might be more entertaining.